We are during hurricane season still until the end of November, and they think their pond can handle a lot of hurricane water, and I believe that their pond is almost overflowing. You can clearly see the pond is at the edge of the grass. And we still have more rain coming. A lot more rain coming. I believe that their pond is going to overflow. And apparently they don't care. We told them that this area is prone to flooding, and they built on a swampland, and they said, don't worry, we'll pump it dry. We're going to build. But apparently they did not take word of the neighborhood, and they don't care. So now, with their pond being almost full, they are going to flood us. Our road has no ditch, so it's standing water for mosquitoes. We have no ditch, what we're used to having for the past 30 plus years. They buried it and put a waterproof tarp between their property and our road. So no water can get through to their property. All this water is just standing. It takes about 24 to 48 hours to dry, depending on the day. But at this moment, we have a tropical storm above us, covering most of South Florida. And we have more rain in the forecast. And because of no ditch, our road is flooded, and people are going around the puddles, making the puddles deeper. And this is the bottom, the last layer of 5 to 6 layers of dirt. That's shell rock. That is our base of our road. So now when you walk through or drive through, you're almost calf deep in water. So our water is not going anywhere because of the waterproof tarp that they ran down all the way to the end of our road. We have puddles everywhere. There's more shell rock. On almost every single puddle has shell rock. So even if we have a strong hurricane, that will fly and be a projectile and damage our properties, and they don't care. Look at all this water, which is damaging our properties that nobody cares about. The big pond, a big puddle, and the road. So when somebody comes in, they speed by, don't care about the road. There's shell rock. All those shells are our base of our road. Every single puddle has a side of shell rock because nobody cares about slowing down. It's all shell rock. It's all shell rock. That is our base of our road being destroyed because some developer has no care for our community and our road. So we have more rain coming, and their pond is almost overflowing. There's their pond. There's their grass, their edge. There's a supposedly ditch. And here's our road, our dirt, private road. So that is a huge puddle. And it's calf deep. So if you walk through it, you are going to hit your calf. So there is a lot of water in the road. Their property is over 170 plus acres that they destroyed of woods belonging to the wildlife, including bald eagles, tortoises, native tortoises, bobcats, raccoons, and other creatures, including snakes and other native, which includes more like sandhill cranes, which is endangered. Snakes, poisonous and non-poisonous, about a foot or more long. They don't care. So their pond is huge. That's the northeast point of the pond that they built. It goes all the way to the west. It comes to the east, then goes west again. Then it goes all the way to the southeast. And they have another pond beyond that, which is about half the size. And they think they can hold water. As you found out, this water is going to be overflowing this pond and eroding. That means the grass is going to go into the pond. It means they won't have any grass left if they keep saying that they don't care.